method. This is also called the elimination method. And that means I eliminate a variable by adding. And what it says, if necessary, rewrite both equations as the form, and this is general form, ax plus by equals c. If necessary, multiply either equation or both equations by appropriate non-zero numbers, blah, 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 blah. Add the equations together, solve the equation of one variable, then back substitute, and then check your answer. So what I notice in this particular equation, that both y's have coefficients of 1, but they're of opposite signs. So if I just add directly, so I'm going to label this equation 1 and equation 2, I'm going to take equation 1, add it to equation 2. Now if I take equation 1, add it to equation 2, I get 3x, the y's add to 0, equals 6. 3x equals 6, or x equals 2. Now I pick either of the two equations to solve for y. So if I'm just going to use the first one, 2x plus y equals 3. We said that x equals 2. 2 times 2 plus y equals 3. 4 plus y equals 3. Y equals negative 1. So that says my solution is x equal 2, y equal negative 1. So let's do a check. Now I use the first equation to find y. I need to check it in the second. Is it true that 2 minus 1? Well, that's 2 plus 1. That's 3, and it checks. So I do have a solution of 2, negative 1. Now this one's tougher. Again, I'm going to label my equations 1 and 2. So I need to eliminate a variable, but I do notice that the signs on y are opposite. So if they were the same number, the y's would drop out. There's nothing that's going to help me here. These two guys don't have anything in common. So what am I going to do? I need to have two numbers that when added give me 0 that I can make in common. Well, if I take 4 and multiply it times equation 1, and then add it to, so that gives me a negative 12. 4 or 3 times equation 2, that would give me a positive 12. Negative 12, positive 12, 0, and the y's would drop out. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to take 4 times the first equation. So that would be 8x minus 12y equals 8. Then I'm going to take 3 times the second equation. 3 times 5 is 15x plus 3 times 4 is 12y equals 3 times 51 is 153. When I add, the y's drop out. I get that 13x equals 161, or x equals 161 divided by 3, which is just 13, which is just 7. So x equals 7. Now I want y. Just pick one of the two. I'll just do the first one. So x equals 7. That says that 2 times 7 minus 3y equals 2. 14 minus 3y equals 2. Minus 3y equals minus 12, or y equals 4. So now I have a solution. It's x equals 7, y equals 4. So I need to check. Now the first one is what gave me my y equals 4. I'm just going to check it in the second one. So 5 times 7 plus 4 times 4 should equal to 51. This is 35 plus 16. That equals to 51, and it checks. So I do have a solution. And the points of intersection is 7, 4.